Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to do a little haul. I haven't done one in a while. I did go ahead, I had purchased many things, but I just went ahead and organized them. I didn't create content on it, but I did want to show you guys how I started organizing some of my charms. It's just more space efficient for me. So for example, you buy these containers. I purchased these through Shein for $1, and they bring, I believe, 35 slots, so you get to put your charms in there however you want. So here I just decided to do it that way, and it's just a lot easier and just space efficient, you know. I really like this method of doing that. But I'm just showing you like some of the charms that I've purchased and that I've organized so far. But I definitely went ahead and did like a bunch of these off camera. Let me know if you guys still want to see organized with me videos and stuff like that. But I got some of these from Shein and others from Aliexpress and maybe some from Amazon. Yeah, for example, this whole container right here that I want to show you really quickly. I did purchase these charms through Amazon, and they're so pretty. I'll show you really quick. Look how gorgeous these are. I absolutely love them. They do bring 2 of each, but they're really cute. So it just brings like a bunch of them. You guys can get a better look at what I'm talking about. So I went ahead and got those, and yeah, honestly, I like organizing a lot, or at least I tried to behind the scenes. Here's some other ones that I purchased through Amazon as well, and I thought they were really pretty. It included all of these stuff like that. So yeah, hopefully I can create more hauls for you guys soon if you guys want, and organize with me videos and stuff like that. But let's get right into this video. So I received some things from Aliexpress. It's not a lot, but just wanted to share it with you guys since I haven't done one of these videos in a while. So I went ahead and got these, which are super cute. I really like these. Just go ahead and open them. So these are just some Hello Kitties. They're really pretty. I like these. They look like clay Hello Kitties, and they're matte, and they have different colors and stuff. But they're really cute, so I went ahead and got these. And they're really tiny as well. Not very tiny, but they're a great size. So I went ahead and got that. Let me know if you guys have purchased anything recently. You know, I've actually gotten a lot better at not buying things, and not buying nail stuff. I've gotten a lot better at that. So I'm proud in regards to that. I think I just had to stop. I realized that I don't have the space, so that's the problem. Next, I went ahead and got some more goodies, some foils, and also some charms. I really like these. I think they're cute just to have them, or if any of my clients would like to use charms. I've been dying to do like a really cute koi set. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So it brings like random charms and stuff like that. And these were the ones that I got. I really like this one. It's supposed to be Little Mermaid. And then I also got another Disney princess. I believe this is Snow White. And this one's really cute as well. And you also get Winnie the Pooh, Mickey. She is missing some of her facial features, but oh well. You have this one. You have this one from like, I think that's from Pokemon or something. I don't remember right now. There's this one, which is actually really cute. So yeah, we went ahead and got some random charms. And let me go ahead and show you guys the foils. I thought these foils were really cute. Anytime I see any like new type of foils that I didn't have, I go ahead and purchase them. So let me show you up close what they look like. Here we have some Disney princesses. I love anything like cartoon character. Even if I don't use it, I love to collect them. I love collecting this type of stuff. I know a lot of us, I mean a lot of you who watch me could relate, I'm pretty sure. Okay, this is just gonna be everywhere, but we have another one. It has like mermaids, fairies, gnomes, unicorns, some fruit. And it does bring a good amount. When they come in these containers is because they bring a lot, and when they come in like a regular bag, it's because they're the shorter foils. So yeah, I'm just quickly gonna place this back. Next we have Marie the cat, really cute as well. And I did purchase these through Aliexpress. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but then we have these really cute Mickey ones. I love these, they're so cute. Actually, I haven't even tried to like practice sewing foils in a while. I should probably do that. They're not the easiest thing, but it's all about practice. These are definitely one of my favorites. We have Winnie the Pooh and his friends, Piglet, Igor, Tigger. It's super cute. Love that. We have these as well, some bears and bunnies. Okay. Then we have this print as well. It's like Mickey Mouse in it as well, and Minnie. It's cute. Next, we have a Lilo and Stitch one, which is really nice. Then I also have one of my favorite, of course, which is the Hello Kitty one. My absolute favorite. I have Hello Kitties for days. Like, I could literally do so much Hello Kitty sets. I have so much of this. I'm so happy. And then lastly, we have Donald Duck and some other characters with fruits as well. I'll show you the fruits up close. So that's all the foils that this one brought. I really liked it. I thought it was really cute. I do own other cartoon ones. Like I mentioned, I love collecting cartoon stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it for these foils. I really liked this particular set of foils. I thought it was really cute. Then next, I purchased this like pre-made charm box through Aliexpress as well. And the main reason why I did it was because I wanted these Takashi flowers. I didn't have them. So let me just show you the stuff that it brings. So some kawaii charms. And then some Takashi flowers. They're not the greatest quality Takashi flowers, but that's okay. So it brings 4 charms in each slot. And then we have some of these hearts, which are really cute. We have some gummies, sugar gummies. I always call them gummies when they're sugar bears. Sugar gummy bears. There's some sugar gummy bears right here. These are a classic. And we also have some Barbie charms here. This one only brings 2 in the slot. And the Barbie one brought 3, so they don't actually all bring 4. We have some clouds, some lollipops, shooting star, just different stuff. Then we have some Hello Kitties. Which are so cute. I love this. Then we have like these sweet candy ones. These are really pretty. We get 3 of those. And then we have some more gummy bears. So this is everything that it comes with. It was pretty nice. Not bad, not bad. Okay. Then I went ahead and brought these like starfish. I thought they're really pretty. You could probably see them best through here. Look how beautiful these are. See if you can see. Let me just take these out. Look how beautiful they are. this is probably my favorite one. And it's this. This is so cute. These are little like Barbie accessories, but they're nail charms. So I love this. Oh, I'm opening it now. This is the cutest thing I've ever witnessed. It's just absolutely adorable. You have the hairbrush, you have the crown, you have the purse. The only thing that is missing, I'd say, are the shoes. But other than that, this is just adorable. I absolutely love it. And I can do a Barbie set now. And it's just super, super cute. I love this. And I had been eyeing this for a while anyway on Aliexpress. And I just knew I had to have it. That's what I love about Aliexpress, the uniqueness of their items. It's like, you don't see this stuff anywhere else. So yeah. Just want to show you guys again up close how cute are these little Barbie charms. So adorable. And then lastly, I got one of my favorite charms as well, which are these Jack Daniel bottles. I thought they were going to be bigger, but when I saw the size, I fell even more in love with them. Because I loved how small they were. So cute. Look how... Oh my god, like... Look how cute, and the detail is on point and everything, which is what I love. Look, like, this is the cutest thing ever. I can't. How cute is that? Little Jack Daniel bottles. So, so cute. These are my absolute favorite. They are so cute. Yeah, this was a very small haul. That's literally everything that I have for today's nail haul. I really enjoyed showing you guys these things because I genuinely really love them and I was excited to show them and stuff like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked. Hit that notification bell to never miss out on any uploads. Subscribe if you haven't already. It would mean the absolute world. And thank you for those who are still here, who are watching my content. I appreciate you guys 1000%, and I'll see you in the next upload.